It's a beautiful 18-degree day today in Anchorage. It's shopping day. Let's go shopping in the freezing cold. So the thing that really throws me off about Alaska, it's a beautiful blue sky day. And the clearer the sky is, the colder it gets. Woo! Freezing. It's a great day today. It's a Diamond Center. Gotta eat some food. Lots of breadsticks. It's cold as hell. But got my shopping done. Alright. So finally got back from the store. I'm sure you guys know by reading the title what is about to go down. I'm really excited to finally have PowerShot. Yes. Top rated. Definitely gonna get it. Definitely gotta have it. Open this puppy up. See what we get. Of course, warranties, email me advertisement, manual I won't ever read, junk. Battery port. That works. Do not plug into the wrong plug. In case you didn't know. A tiny battery. Holy cow, is that ever small? Yeah, save that one. Looks like we got a little strap here. Strap to the wrist. Not too impressed with this strap, but it'll work. And here is the piece that we all want to see. This is beautiful, beautiful Canon. The PowerShot G7 Mark II. All kinds of options with that. Very excited to have it. I'm extremely excited to have this guy. So many options to this. So I completely lied. I read the manual. It's got a lot in there. A lot of stuff that I need to know. I'm really excited for this puppy. This is going to be fun. And with this and editing, let's hope I get good at it. That way I can make some good videos. Hopefully you guys will like them. And thanks for watching. Just on a quick note, the state is beautiful, fucking cold.